If you want to sound fluent and natural in English, stop saying very good. It's not wrong, but it's weak. Native speakers choose stronger adjectives to sound confident and clear. Very good is weak. It doesn't show emotion, impact, or level. That's why fluent speakers avoid it in real conversations. Instead of saying, the presentation was very good, say, the presentation was excellent. One word, instant confidence. Let's move forward with the upgrade too. Instead of, the movie was very good, say, the movie was amazing. Now your sentence has an emotion. Next upgrade I have for you. Her work was very good. Say her work was impressive. It sounds professional and respectful. Here is the rule native speakers should follow. Strong adjective is better than very plus a weak one. Upgrade your word choices, not just your grammar. This is English Explorers with Riddhima.